We are a custom manufacturing company. Basically, we help designers, architects, new homeowners get anything custom made. It can range from custom made doors to signages to gates and partitions. Typically, every single order for us is customized. We've processed thousands of orders where not one order has repeated. And keeping track of every single order has always been a challenge. Normally, we've had Excel sheets and Word documents where we basically just duplicate it, edit it, and create something we call as job orders. When the number of orders started increasing, keeping track of this and using data, figuring out some sort of analysis on it, meaning which kind of orders are being done on a regular basis, or what's the status of each order, became a huge challenge. We came across this application called Zoho Creator, which was very new. I was very apprehensive about it because I did not want to dedicate a developer for making a simple application like this. And I started playing around with it and I figured, okay, this is something which I myself can pull off. So, just to give you an idea about the way our orders differ, each order has more than 30-40 fields and lots of repeating fields. For instance, customer's address, customer's name, mobile number, all those things. Because we were already using Zoho CRM, integrating it with Creator was basically few clicks and a lot of repeat fields got over, and every single order was clearly tracked using Zoho Creator, specifically the Kanban functionality in reports. So what this has helped us do is at any given time we know exactly which orders are being manufactured, which are ready for quality check and which are to be delivered, and no longer do we have to unnecessarily call a lot of our executives. And one of the best parts about this is it works on mobile. So we didn't have to invest additional money in buying laptops for each one of our executives who are always in the industrial area. Typically, right, managing so many different operations, because every single order for our car is customized, it would entail basically 50 to 60 calls per operations executive asking for updates and statuses, and whether all quality parameters or checklists have been done. We would so we have these design files and we would keep sending them back and forth on WhatsApp, almost 50-60 a day per executive. Now using Zoho Creator, what it has allowed us to do is reduce all this documentation work and follow-up work and focus on just executing our custom orders. So how has that been beneficial is, typically, right, if for the number of orders which we're handling today, we handle about 8 to 10 orders a day, we would need almost 30 operations executives. Fortunately, with Creator, with a lot of reduced documentation, we just hire about 11 guys right now, and I think with the same team, we can scale up to 50-60 orders a day because that business process is completely automated. So yeah, Zoho Creator has been very beneficial in these ways, where one has saved us a lot of cost because it works on their own smartphones. It has reduced the number of interactions through phone and WhatsApp from almost 50-60, almost 100 if you combine both a day, to barely 1 or 2. And finally, it's build our business process such that as we scale, we won't have to reinvest in the same process again and again trying to make it better. So yeah, thanks Zoho.